Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. And in today's tutorial, I am going to show you guys how to resolve if you are coming across a Microsoft Store error that says it looks like you don't have any applicable devices linked to your Microsoft account to install sign in on a device with your Microsoft account. So first thing we're going to do here is we're going to actually reset the Windows Store or Microsoft Store. So that's the first thing I'd recommend trying here. And then you can attempt to sign back in with your Microsoft account. So in order to do that, we're just going to open up the Start menu, type in WS Reset. Best match to go back with WS Reset here. Go ahead and right click on that and select Run as Administrator. Give it a moment. And once the Microsoft Store is reopened, hopefully you should be able to access whatever you were trying to get to before, and you shouldn't have any more problems resulting from this error. So pretty straightforward process, guys. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.